I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
Check me out. Check me out.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
Come with it. Come with it.
Could be sitting, taking lunch. The news will hit you like a punch. It's only Tuesday.
What time is it?
Ready? We have entry number 1, Honda Civic. Loud display. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, thank you so much. And 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, thank you so much. Ayan. Oh, wala na nga dyan.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
Check me out. Check me out.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them